accessibility and ease of doing business. The government has heavily emphasized reforming financial inclusions through district business reform action points, streamlining credit support and coordinating with banks for framework like the credit guarantee scheme for startup and mudra loans to make funding more accessible for early stage towards. Tri-Nexus, a disaster connectivity initiatives will connect professionals and experts with startups in the state for mentorship, networking, and great opportunities. I am equally delighted that Startup Tripura has exchanged memorandum of understanding with Zoho for startups, Amazon and HDFC Bank. These partnerships will provide startup access to business, technology, digital market opportunities, banking and financial services required to take their ventures forward. This type of collaboration is important for building a strong and sustainable startup ecosystem and ensuring that our entrepreneurs get the support they need to scale their business. Before concluding, I would like to thank TIAF for partnership with Startup Tripura and supporting our dream of building a vibrant innovation ecosystem in the state. I also thank Skyroot Aerospace, Zoho for startups, Amazon and HDFC Bank for joining hands with the Startup Tripura. I have one message for every entrepreneurs and potential presence here today. Don't build a startup just to be successful. Build a startup to solve a real problem and success will come naturally. Dream boldly, innovate fearlessly, create solutions that create real value or utility, builds institutions that bring jobs and prosperity, bring Tripura's ideas, products and technologies to the court of India and the world. I urge each of you to take full advantage of the opportunities offered by the state startup policy, the support of TNEST, the digital platform, TRISE, and the partnership developed with leading organizations in the country. A unicorn company doesn't happen overnight. IT happens through vision, innovation, indomitable spirit, collaboration, and the courage of execute an idea with conviction. Today's workshop is another important milestone on that journey. Let us all together build not just successful startups, but a vibrant innovation ecosystem that will create jobs, attract investment, strengthen exports, and establish Tripura as a leading destination for innovation and entrepreneurial activities in North India. Through the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the continuous guidance of Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, Professor Dr. Manik Saha ji, and combined efforts of the government, industry, academia, investors, and entrepreneurs, we are confident that we will achieve our goal of creating Tripura's first unicorn. We can all achieve together. Let the next unicorn emerge from Tripura. Thank you. Thank you to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Opportunities for the youth of the state. Building on this foundation, the Tripura government, under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha ji, has launched a new sector, Natural, on 24 January 2024. Today, we are not just discussing startups. We are discussing how Tripura can build the next generation of companies that will create jobs, attract investment, accelerate innovation, and compete on the global stage. Today's workshop highlights on commitment to building an ecosystem where innovation, technology, and entrepreneurial spirit to become powerful drivers of economic growth and job creation. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, India has emerged as one of the leading startup ecosystems on the world. Inspired by the visions of developed India 2047, we are committed to ensuring Tripura meaningful contribution to India's innovation and entrepreneurship journey. Under the able guidance of Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Sahaji, the state is working towards creating an environment where the youth of Tripura can develop their ideas, establish new initiatives, and avail various opportunities in different parts of Tripura. Our responsibility, the goal is create an enabling environment where such ideas can grow into sustainable and competitive entrepreneurs. We understand that financial support alone is not enough to build a successful startup. It requires the right membership in collaboration, facilities, networking opportunities, connection with investors, and access to the market. National recognition of Tripura. Tripura was recognized as a category leader in the Startup India state ranking and has maintained an impressive 66% average growth rate in startup recognition over recent years. Infrastructure and active ecosystem, incubators and hubs, the state currently hosts over 80 recognized startups and 8 active incubators. Notable institutions during the growth include the Space Tech Incubation Center supported by ISRO at the National Institute of Technology, Agartala, and the Tripura University Business Incubator. Digital infrastructure propelled by the International Internet Gateway in Agartala, Tripura benefits from robust high-speed internet connectivity, serving as the core drivers for its IT and tech-enabled startups. Regional leadership and inclusions. Women-led startups. According to the Startup India Profile Report, Tripura leads the Northeast region in the highest number of women-led startups focus. Startups in the state are actively pioneering solutions across agriculture, technology-based, bamboo-based products, green packaging, eco-tourism, fintech, and deep tech. Recent milestone of 2026. State Innovation Mission. In February 2026, Tripura launched India's first state innovation mission in Agartala. This initiative is designed to institutionalize a district-level innovation ecosystem, decentralize technology, and accelerate local commercialization of grassroots ideas.